Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
If your Skullcandy headphones won't turn on, try a hard reset first by pressing and holding the power button for 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, check if they're properly charged. Sometimes, headphones might need a longer charging period to revive from a deep discharge state. Ensure the charging cable and port are not damaged. If problems persist, consulting the user manual or contacting Skullcandy's customer support for professional assistance or warranty options might be necessary.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.